Hello my creators, today we are going to make Santa card. For that we require these materials. Let's start the video. First we are going to take one A4 size peach color paper and we are going to fold it from the center. Now take any master circle like this or whichever you have and draw the half circle like this, and now we are going to cut this one. Now check and keep it at the side. Now take one A4 size red color paper, fold it from the center like this, from the one side only, second side you don't have to fold. Now that is your center point. Now you are going to make a triangle like this and then you are going to cut this one. Now keep it at the side. Take one A4 size white paper, fold it from the center, draw the half circle. Now here we are going to draw this pattern. And now we are going to cut the same. Now in this paper we are going to cut 3 cm strip. So first you have to draw and then you have to cut. We require only one strip. After that we are going to draw this circle and cut. This one also we require the one only. Now time to assemble all things. So first we are starting with this paper. Now on the upper side we are going to stick triangle and at the lower side we are going to stick the white paper. See, like this. We are going to stick the triangle here. Now on the triangle we are going to stick that white strip which we cut it 3 cm. After that we are going to fold the triangle from the upper side like this, and at the edge we are going to stick our circle. So here your Santa's cap is ready. Now time to stick this white paper. So that drawn part we are keeping at the back and you have to stick it something like this. Now time to stick the googly eyes, or you can draw the eyes, even you can cut from the white paper and stick it, and in the center we are going to stick the red pom pom. Now open your card and write down Christmas wish. I hope you like and enjoy this activity. Thank you.